Most people think you can just hop on Whatnot, grab some cards, and go live. But there are a few things you absolutely need set up first, or you won't even be able to sell properly. The first thing is a valid photo ID. Whatnot requires this when you're setting up your seller account so you can verify who you are, obviously. And without it, you're not going to get approved. So this is a step one before anything else. Now, right after that, you're going to need your bank information set up because this is how you actually get paid. A lot of beginners overlook this part, but if your payouts aren't connected correctly, you're not collecting any of the money you make, so make sure you've done that before your first show. Once your account is fully set up, the next thing you're going to need is some shipping supplies. And this is where your actual selling starts to really feel real. You need something like bubble mailers, sleeves, and basic protection so when you sell a card, or if you're not just selling cards, anything for that matter, everything's good and you can ship your items off safely. Because you don't want bad reviews that can hurt your account early, especially if you're not shipping properly. So don't skip this part at all. Now, this is a big thing. These are the first three key ingredients. The last thing is you need some form of label printer. This is one of the biggest upgrades you can make. You're going to need some form of label printer. Whether it's a regular printer, you can use a regular printer. They don't work the best, but I highly recommend getting a thermal label printer. And if you want to know how to ship cards, check out the top video on the top right. Now, because it makes everything way faster and cleaner when you're shipping multiple orders, you can just peel and stick straight on. It has sticky labels that you can buy, and it just saves a ton of time. And once you're getting more sales, or in any sales for that matter, 1, 2, whatever, and if you branch off to other platforms even, that is what is going to be key and make it honestly a lot faster and more efficient process for you. So if you want a thermal label printer, this is the Jaden's one. I highly recommend it. Use it every day. Go and check it out. There's a link below in the description of the videos. You'll see the link. And if you don't see one, let me know in the comments. I'll be able to get you into the right direction. Now, that being said, if you have all this set up before your first Whatnot stream, you are already ahead of most people starting on Whatnot, and you're good to go. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.